Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about performing hashtag count. We will give the hashtags and hashtag words, and also we will take that words and to input file, and from that input file we will perform the word count for and generate an output file. These all done by using Pyflink. So for that, initially you need to install the Apache Flink, and that is by using pip3 install pip3 install apache hyphen flink. And also you need to install pyflink library also, that also using pip3 install pyflink, both the things when installed. And also you have to check whether pip3 install pyflink and pip3 install apache flink. These two things have been done by me. And also then you have to check whether in bash rc file it should not contain any flink directory, that path. So for that you can check whether it's there, otherwise it will create an issue. So see, in this bash rc file I don't have, like uh, I just commented flink home and the path. So just save it using source, not bash rc. So now we should start the cluster by using start hyphen cluster dot sh, and I have, like, we should get the count here. So for that, initially we need to, like, it is like my version is 1.13 point 1, that is my flink version. And when pip3 install version, like pip3 install, then it is like 1.14, it is an automatic thing. So after that, see, like, oh, we have to install, like, import random, and from pyflink library we have to install the table with environment settings table, environment table descriptor, and the stream, and data types, and from pyflink table expressions import it. Then we are creating config. So based on the version, syntax changes, so check with that. And next, settings, environment settings dot, here we will create a new instance in batch mode, and using the blink planner and build it, and we create the environment with like environment settings, and we will create that. Then we, in the hashtag count function, we are taking the input file and output file, and we will remove that output file when we are executing it already, like when the file is already present, so that we can reduce like ambiguity in that. So for that reason we can we can remove it. And then here we are giving the hashtags, like this, I am giving the 5 hashtag links. So welcome, peace, hashtag happiness, flink, Pyflink. So these are the words, and number of tweets. So this is like we are only giving the tweet count and also hashtag. So our base, and we are opening our input file with a write mode, and for every tweet, for the number of tweets, we are randomly generating these words, like hashtag words. So randomly it will generate the words, and it will be written into our input file. And after that input file we have written, then we are creating a for source and sync we need to create two tables. And before creating two tables, like temporary tables, like I have a source table and a sync table, before that we have to write all the data to one file. So we are using this config get configuration dot set string parallelism 1. So in one file it will be stored. And next, for source and sync, for source we are creating schema like word, and the data types to be string, and we are giving the path as well, and also format csv. Depends, like you can give csv or some text file, that's not particularly important, but in the sync file we have to like CSV. So here for source input I gave text file, and for the output I gave CSV file. And then after that we are creating both the sync and source. Then we are like grouping the word and selecting the word count and executing the executing insert sync. So here we are performing an SQL query so that all the data gets stored and stored into our sync, and we will perform the operation, and we are count like calling the function like hashtag count, that our function is called, and let's execute it. So for that I don't have any files. Now let's wait that input hashtag count text file has been generated. Let's wait till it generates the output file. So output file also generated, but writing into output file takes time, so now it got executed. Let's see input file. So we should generate 1200 tweets with 4 words. So welcome, peace, happiness, flink, Pyflink, all are our 4 words. So these are randomly generated, and see exactly 200 tweets has been generated. And the output file, when you check, so here is our output file. So it takes a word, and the number of and the count of the word is also been printed. That's it. That's why we perform our execution of the word count using Pyflink like hashtags. That's it. We'll come up with the other video. Thank you.